Today's featured car of the day is a 1965 Rambler Marlin. It had the 327 V8 engine with the 4-barrel, which was the top engine option for the year. I think it put out about 270 horsepower. And this one had a little custom interior, the two-tone, matching the exterior with the red and black, which was a nice touch. They had a nice engine turn dash on them, and all the chrome trim with the pillarless hardtop. So really a good looking car. And the owner added some different wheels to it, which set it off nicely as well. And 1965 being the last year for the Rambler moniker. So it had Rambler spelled out on the back and on the hood. And this one also had some gauges and some other upgrades done to it, which made it better for cruising, I guess. And it was definitely a real good looking car. It had a real nice paint job on it. And I filmed it at my local classic car cruise night in San Diego, California. As far as the Marlin, it only went for 3 years. It went 1965, 66, and 67. 1965 was the best-selling year. They sold 10,327, and that's what this one was. And then in 1966, it dropped down to 4,547, and then 67, the final year, they dropped down to 2,545. So it was definitely a different car. It was one of the first fastback ones. Also one of the first cars that came standard with front disc brakes in 1965. So that was interesting. If you made it to the end of the video, thank you very much for watching. I appreciate it. If you can share this video and my channel, Motor City, with a friend, or share it on your group page if you have one, I would appreciate it. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching. I appreciate it. And by the way, here's a couple of videos. This will take you over to my page, and you can take a look at any of the videos that are there that look good to you. But thanks again for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.